Every second, billions of devices are communicating. Millions of lines of codes are running. Data is moving across the planet. Systems are thinking. Machines are learning. The digital world is expanding. But most of the people only use technology, but very few of it understands it. People think cybersecurity is all about running tools. Open a terminal, type something random commands, and hit enter. But real cybersecurity is different. Before you secure the system, you need to understand it first. How computers think, how operating systems work, how networks communicate, how software is created, and how AI is changing everything. A new generation of technology needs a new generation of learners, not the people who memorize commands, but people who understand, create, analyze, secure. Starting from absolute zero, we begin a journey from understanding a single bit to understanding the system powering the future. This is not just a course, this is a journey into the digital universe. Welcome to the Cyberverse, the complete cybersecurity and AI mastery course with the integration of latest technologies and AI. Understand technology, master technology, and secure technology.